Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect Rapoo wireless keyboard. Firstly, click on the start menu or go to the control panel and look for the Bluetooth icon in the settings menu. If Bluetooth is turned off, switch it on to make your laptop discoverable. Press the power button on your wireless keyboard. Some keyboards may have a pairing button. Press and hold it until the LED lights start blinking. In the Bluetooth settings, click on Add a device or Pair new device. Your laptop will scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your wireless keyboard from the list of available devices. Now click Pair on prompt and if required, enter a pairing PIN code. Your laptop may install drivers automatically, so wait for the process to complete. Now test your keyboard by typing in a document or search bar, and if the keyboard is not responding, restart your laptop and try reconnecting. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.